Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Ian, and today we will be drawing a airplane. So let's get started. So firstly, we need a pencil. We got markers, or we can use, and you need paper. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, you wanna draw a circle in the middle of your paper. Draw no matter how big. Challenge. Okay. And now after you draw the circle, you're gonna come. Let's draw a line. I know that's crooked. I'm a bad drawer, you know. And then top it off. Good. Then you're gonna come from here all the way down to the body. So we're gonna draw a line coming up and down. Good. So now we're gonna draw the cockpit windows. Let's draw a line and then another line connecting to over here. Then we're gonna draw the same thing and then connect it. Then we draw some lines to make the windows. And then we draw another small circle inside for the nose. Alright, good. Good, Good. If you have drawn that, good. Then we're gonna draw another circle to make the engine. Draw a circle. You can make it how small you want. 2 minutes have passed. Alright, here it is. And then after you're done finishing the plane, you can outline it with a Sharpie. So I'm going to draw another small circle in here. Let's make it look like it's 3D. I'm going to draw a dot to make the line of the engine. Inside the engine. Okay, and now we're going to draw the gear. We're going to draw a line. Good. And then we're going to draw another line coming down from the wing to the gear oscillator. Good. And now I'm going to draw a curved line to make the wheel. Then we draw another line and then another curve back up and connect. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Good. And now we're going to draw the tail above the fuselage. We're going to draw a line that comes up here. And then we're going to make a tiny curve. And then down. I'm going to make this fast because I only have an hour left. I'm just going to draw it for you so we don't waste time. I make the little one small though. So if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe and like the video. I want to have 14 subscribers at the end of this week, and also a lot. So there it is. Okay? And that's how you draw a plane. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.